Did you know your words have the power to shape your reality? Affirmations are a simple yet transformative tool to reprogram your mind for wealth and prosperity. When spoken with belief and consistency, affirmations can help you align with the energy of abundance and attract opportunities effortlessly. In today's video, I'll guide you through affirmations designed to manifest wealth and prosperity. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to deepen your practice, these affirmations will supercharge your manifestation power. If you're ready to create a life of abundance, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. When you repeat positive affirmations, you're rewiring your brain to believe in possibilities rather than limitations. Positive affirmations align your energy with wealth and prosperity, making it easier to attract abundance. The more you affirm your worth, the more you'll act confidently toward opportunities. So, instead of saying, "I'll never have enough money," try, "I am financially free and wealth flows to me effortlessly." Let's dive into a powerful affirmation session. Find a quiet space where you can focus and repeat these affirmations with belief and intention. I am worthy of wealth and prosperity. Money flows to me easily and abundantly. I am a magnet for opportunities that bring wealth. I manage my finances with confidence and clarity. Abundance is my natural state, and I embrace it fully. I am grateful for the financial blessings in my life. I attract wealth in expected and unexpected ways. Repeat each affirmation aloud or silently, feeling the truth of the words as you say them. Visualize these affirmations as already true in your life. For affirmations to work, consistency is key. Here are a few ways to integrate them into your daily life. Start your day by saying affirmations in front of the mirror to set a positive tone. Jot down your affirmations in a journal every day. Writing reinforces belief. As you say your affirmations, visualize yourself living your abundant life. The more you practice, the more natural these affirmations will feel, and the faster you'll see results. Affirmations are a simple yet powerful way to shift your mindset and attract wealth and prosperity into your life. When spoken with belief and consistency, they can open the doors to endless opportunities. Start small. Choose 1 or 2 affirmations and repeat them daily. Remember, abundance begins with belief. If this video inspired you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone ready to manifest abundance, and subscribe for more videos in our Manifesting Abundance series. Next, we'll explore clearing limiting beliefs about money. Don't miss it.